Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on trigonometric equations. This is the third video on this particular topic. So we start with the problem. Given that 0 degrees is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360 degrees and sine x minus cos 2x is equal to 0, find the values of x. We are looking not only for a value of x but values, because the range of values of x is given from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So in our solution to the problem, we have this equation, and we are going to make substitution by getting the identities that involve cos 2x using the double angle formulae. For cos 2x, we have it as cos square x minus sine x squared. We also have it as 2 cos square x minus 1. And the last one is 1 minus 2 sine squared x. We look at this to substitute this so that we'll just be left with sine x. We are going to use the last one so that we have sine x minus 1 minus 2 sine squared x in bracket is equal to 0. We expand this bracket. We have sine x minus 1, then plus 2 sine squared x is equal to 0. We then arrange sine x in descending power. So we now have 2 sine squared x plus sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we can create a quadratic equation by letting m be equal to sine x. We then have 2m squared plus m minus 1 is equal to 0. We are then going to factorize. So the two factors are 2m minus 1 and m plus 1 is equal to 0. So which means m is equal to 0.5 and m is equal to negative 1. From here, we go back to substitute back our sine x. So since m is sine x, so we have sine x is equal to 0.5, sine x is equal to negative 1. So we pick it one after the other. When sine x is equal to 0.5, we then look at the trigonometric ratio of general angles from 0 to 360 degrees. Here, sine x is positive here in this quadrant. Sine x is also positive in the second quadrant. So that when we now find x, it will be sine inverse of 0.5. In the first quadrant, it is 30 degrees. This is the quadrant. Then the second quadrant, it is 180 minus 30, which is equal to 150 degrees. These are the two values of x when sine x is equal to 0.5. Then we go back to when sine x is equal to negative 1. Here we are going to ignore the negative sign and first get the value of x when it is positive, because the value here falls between the third and the fourth quadrant. So x is equal to sine inverse of 1, which means x is equal to 90 degrees. So coming back to the third and fourth quadrant, we can now have it as 180 plus 90, which is 270 degrees. Even though if we say 360 minus 90, it will still give us 270 degrees. So which has taken care of the third and the fourth quadrant for the value of x. So the values of x now are going to be the 30 degrees, 150 degrees, and 270 degrees. Remember, this 90 degrees is not part of the values of x. We just use it to identify the positive value, then get the quadrant when it is negative, then we applied. And that's the end of solution to this problem. And this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.